Yeah, the point is, ikaw lang naman talaga yung nakakaintindi sa sarili mo. No one should be able to take that from you, no? I mean, like, if you like something, you don't have to not like it just because someone doesn't like it. I was reading this book, and it is called The Courage to be Disliked. And although hindi ko pa siya natatapos, pero I kinda get the context of that book, and the purpose of that book. Most of the time kasi nagre-create tayo ng reason to not like ourselves. We make excuses for something para ma-comfort natin yung sarili natin na we don't have to do that, kasi it's too overwhelming. Like for example, I want to be able to do public speaking. Pero ako kasi sobrang takot ako sa public speaking. And parang nagcre-create ako ng fear na ayokong mapahiya, no? The fear of being embarrassed, the fear of making mistakes na kapag nagkaroon na or like kung kunwari nabulol ako sa public speaking talagang parang mapapahiya talaga ako na parang alam mo yung feeling na talagang ang hirap takasan, no? And whenever I think about something na gusto kong gawin, lagi kong minamalit yung sarili ko. Parang gusto kong mag-public speaking pero natatakot akong mapahiya. So that's like, that's the time na nag-create ako ng fear. Fear of being embarrassed. And at the end of the day, hindi ko na siya i-pursue. Like, tatanggalin ko na lang siya sa utak ko in order na ma-fulfill yung comfort ko na hindi naman ako mapapahiya kasi hindi ko naman gagawin eh. And I think yun yung isa sa mga pinoint out ng book na yun. Talagang na-enlighten ako sa part na yun since parang totoo nga talaga na we always create excuses for our own self in order to not feel the discomfort of something. And a lot of times, kinukuha rin natin yun sa validation from other people no, na gusto natin maging okay tayo sa mata ng ibang tao. Pero takot tayo na baka hindi tayo maging okay sa perception nila. So at the end of the day, we just don't do what we like to do. So you don't have to embrace that mindset na ayaw mong mapahiya, therefore hindi mo na lang gagawin yung isang bagay, no? So, kung ano man yung mga interest mo, yung mga hilig mo, I suggest just go for it, no? Just fucking do it. Hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng validation from other people. Hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng approval. Like, they don't have to like you in what you do, 'di ba? Ang importante is you like yourself for what you are doing. And that's the only thing that matters, is just to love yourself, is to keep liking the things that you are doing. And that is why parang naisip ko lang talaga na minsan parang gusto ko ng sariling ako, no, to talk about these things. Kasi at the end of the day, sarili ko lang naman talaga yung makakaintindi sa akin eh. So, I think that's kind of my point, to be honest. And sobrang nakaka-motivate talaga na mas mahalin yung sarili ko sa mga ginagawa ko. I am able to record in public na parang I just don't really care about what other people will think of me. Na I have this camera set it up here. So, parang wala lang talaga akong pakialam eh. I'm just doing the things that I love to do. And, I like myself even more na ginagawa ko to, no? So, yeah, man. I think that's going to be it. So, yeah, that's it. Stay up, God bless, and stay positive as always. So, I'll see you guys. Peace.